so we are packed and ready to go to Florida Mopars out in Panama City. We got a car show tomorrow. We're expecting maybe 400, 500 cars. Should be a pretty fun show. Alright, so we're about to go pull up with my homie Ishmael at Texaco, and then me and him are riding out to Panama City. We're going to meet our homie Marcus out there. Gang, gang. You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm going to take this back sheet right here to end up back on the trail.
You don't want to just take Pensacola? Seriously, it's a one-lane road.
Look what it says there.
Me and Ishmael out here in the middle of nowhere waiting on Marcus. Ishmael got some donuts.
Fire.
Freshly glazed. Alright, so we just linked up with Marcus and my boy Mike RT, and we are headed back out to Panama City. We made it to Panama City. About to go eat some dinner.
Let's make this fleeting moment last forever. So tell me what you're waiting for. I'm gonna keep it frozen here forever. There's no regretting anymore. It's worth the wait, even so far away. I'm making the night mine until the day I die. No light to break when you're hanging by fate. You know what it feels like when you're dancing blind. All alone, just the beat inside my soul. Take me home, where my dreams are made of gold.
Yo, what's up guys? Here with my boy Caleb.
What's up? B5 Mopar.
Instagram, yeah, I got you. We're here at the Florida Mopars Car Show here in Panama City, Florida. How many cars we got, Caleb?
Like 200 and shitty something? I don't know. Shit ton.
We haven't seen any of the other cars yet, though. I'll make sure those get in the video.
We've mostly been just looking at these Mopars. All the Mopars are up in front. Then we got some
Behind
Chevy
me.
on the side, some other different kind of stuff. So we're going to walk around, see something. I saw a super cool one, so that's what I want to go see.
Hell yeah.
The zone where the beat is uncontrolled. I know what it feels like. Come on, make me feel alive.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Romeo. This is my 2015 Dodge Challenger Hellcat you see behind me. I have it wrapped like a P-51 Mustang Red Tail as a tribute to the Tuskegee Airmen. I have it lowered on airlift suspension. I have Triumph Ford wheels. I have it custom airbrush on the back. I have an intake, exhaust. I changed out the seats, race harness. I have a prior design wing, side skirts, and I had it wrapped in Miami by Metro Wraps out of Miami. They did a good job. As you can see, I got the door jambs done and everything.
How much power is it putting out?
649.
Say that again?
649 to the wheels.
649?
Yeah.
It's a
I like it.
clean
Hope
car.
you guys like it. Thank you.
Hey y'all, this is my Chrysler 300 SRT, supercharged. It's making about 600 to the wheel. You know, what you talking about? No, yes it is, 600 to the wheel.
He's got dyno sheets to prove it.
He's got dyno sheets, but still slow. Yeah, that shit's
No, it's cam, it chops a little bit.
Cam's new, right?
Yep, just new. Well, what's that? What's that, Will?
So why don't we call it ditch catcher?
No, hold up now, Will. Hey, we gotta cut that part out. That's
Where'd you get it wrapped at?
Apply Concepts in Jacksonville. Yeah, guy did a nice job.
So what's the overall theme of the car? Talk about the theme.
It's a Star Wars. I'm a big Star Wars guy. Mark Hamill is my idol. He plays Luke Skywalker, as you know. So I got a hood prop Skywalker, my plate Skywalker. Got the whole Skywalker theme going.
Talk about the wheels.
Wheels, just 20-inch stock Alcoas forged monoblock. It's powder coated by River City Powder Coating in Jacksonville. It's triple bronze with a lot of gloss clear coat on it. Came out, it's like a little copper. Looks good. I think it looks good.
When did you get the car?
Got the cars about 2 years ago, bone stock, and it's come a long way since then. It's a lot of headaches, but a lot of fun.
For sure.
Oh yeah.
All right, thanks, Mike.
Yep.
Well, I'm putting my car on Craigslist.
Has not been abused at all.
Has not been abused. I don't know what that was. That was not me.
Right here all my life. Feelings you can't deny that you live in. Open up your eyes, and I just wanna sink into your crazy laughter. Come on, make me feel until the pain don't matter. Every second here makes my heart beat faster. Finally think I know what I'm chasing after.
We all fucking with them. This is so funny.